Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Liza Entertainment. Ngasi se aina yamna emergency oina akhoi ai blog macha sima sum namjabani. Yamna nungai taba paw ma ai tajaba aduna ai blog sigi mateng na mayam de kichitang mateng oigadra haina ai blog se namjabani. Akhoi gi Licypriya kangujam child activist ko environmental activist child Licypriya kangujam mayam tabira magani. Mangasi magi Facebook account da tam nungai taba thogdoma thengnajaba haitare ma se New Delhi dagi Jakarta Singapore airlines da lapa matamda magi luggages poche yauba plus magi important documents sing yauba mangkhre haina adugumba ma yamna nungaitana ko yam nungaitana mana magi thagalakpaduda aina kichitang aigi YouTube ki khuthang sida mayamda share tawraga khajitang magi mateng oigadra haina blog macha am namjabani ai hojik mana ngangba screen do short to so ai logzare mana ngangba video matik to su mayamna tabiu yam nungai tana tamba paung ni adun yari makhai akhoi share se ai video se share tawre haraga magi mateng khajitang su oinaba Licypriya kanguja mayam su khambiri baduni akhoi gi Manipur dei haurakpa anga machani maha khoji hojik tonga ton mafam na chatle haraga mana tonga environment ka mai leinaba akhoi gi tonga program kya ma sindana akhoi mahusa prakriti bu kannabagi damakta honajariba adugumba nungshirabi chani magi mateng khajitang oinabagi damakta I video se namjabani magi luggage mangkhiba plus magi luggage sida firon phawma hojik setnaba firon phawba ma extra amta leitre na ma yam nungaitana tammi adu magi maru anadi magi documents aruba documents kya ma yaukhiba video adugu video duni man thagachare ise adu aina kitang emergency na namjabani yari makhai ai video su share tawbiu aduga mangonda mateng khajitang oigadra magi potse phangbada mayam su kichitang saruk yabiu hai wafam se thamaga ai video matem ta magi thajarake mayam ne soidana share tawbiu aduga magi mateng kitang oina bagi damakta aina mayam da haijari hai wafam se thamaga ai tension jagi.
Hi everyone, I'm Licypriya and today I have lost all my baggages in Jakarta airport and I'm very sad now, and I have been coming all the way from New Delhi to Jakarta via Singapore, and I have lost my 2 baggages and it's having all the important documents and all the important stuffs, and I have nothing to wear. I have no dress to wear, and also I would like to request Singapore Airlines to give my baggage as soon as possible, and this is unacceptable at any cost. So please help me out on this.